Libia Lobo Sardesai has become the property of the entire nation. Of course, government freedom struggle, her contribution, her sacrifice, and how she managed the radio and other things is a thing to be studied by our new generation. Cause of the nation, brave ladies who fought only few in our country, and Goa, of course, Libia ji is in the forefront of that, and I go before her and appreciate her sacrifice, and that is why now Padma Shri bestowed to her. And prior to that, about one year back, our Rajbhavan invited Madam with due respect and honored her. And so, Libia Lobo Sardesai ji is in my mind because she is coming under the category of the freedom fighters, and during her fight for the nation or Goa's freedom, you see radio operating from forest areas, facing so many difficulties. This is in fact noted by Narendra Modi ji Sarkar, and I am very happy that proposal of Goa accepted, and we are all happy.